Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a soft natural makeup look that's perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Okay, so after washing my face, I go in with my Neutrogena alcohol-free toner, and then I also follow that with the serum. This is a vitamin C serum. I did moisturize my skin, but that footage got lost. I don't know what happened. Okay, so then I go in with my first primer. This is by Maybelline. This is the Pore Eraser. Love this primer. Then I take the primer in the shade, I think, Birthday Cake. This is from the brand SHEGLAM. Out of that primer as well. I also want to mention that every product that you guys see me use in this video will be linked in the description box below. Okay, so next I go in with the LA Pro Concealer, and I just basically conceal the dark spots on my face. I could do this with a corrector, but I just chose to do it with a concealer. I just feel like it gives me more coverage. And then I just blend that in. Then I fill in and shape my brows, and then I go in with the same LA Pro Concealer. Now I'm just concealing my brows. So I really don't do too much to my eyebrows. I just fill them and then conceal them, and then right now I'm just blending it out. Next, I take this e.l.f. concealer and I take that under my eyes. And then I take a lighter shade. This is by SHEGLAM, and I put that also under my eyes, and then I basically blend that together underneath my eyes. Next, I go in with this eyebrow gel, and I basically put that on my eyebrows to keep them in place. Next, I go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation powder. I love this powder because sometimes I don't feel like putting liquid foundation on my skin, and I just feel like it just looks more soft and natural when I go in with powder foundation. Next, I take the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I just set that under my eyes. I'm not baking, I'm just basically setting it. It also adds a little highlight under my eyes, so that's really why I love using this product. Next, I go in with this SHEGLAM blush, and I really love how this blush makes me look. It just, I don't know, it really kind of brings a bit of color to my face. And then I go in with this powder blush to basically set that liquid blush. I've had this blush powder for a while now. As you guys can see, I really love that powder. Next, I take this lip liner and I'm just basically lining my lips. A long time ago, I never really used to line my lips before, but I found that when you line your lips, it does give your lips a bit of dimension, so I never looked back. And then I'm gonna take this lip gloss. This is, I think it's from e.l.f. And I just go in and fill in my lips. I just love how this lip gloss makes my lips look. It's so cute. I love it. And then next, I go in with the SHEGLAM mascara, and this is a 2-in-1 mascara, guys. I love it because it really shapes and gives my eyelashes volume, and I don't even have to wear false lashes. I really love this mascara so much. And then lastly, I've been really loving this SHEGLAM setting spray. I really feel like it really works and it really sets my makeup. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in another one.